Okay, so this is the Kempinski hotel here in Nairobi. We have the premier 1-bedroom suite. So this is when you walk in. So they've nicely put our luggage on the side. This is the seating area. It's got a mini bar with coffee and tea, and they have Nespresso pods, which is good. Inside here is that mini bar, which everything is complimentary inside here, so which is quite good. Everything is for free inside there. Let's have a look. So we've got a nice little seating area. Got a fruit basket today, and some dates and some macarons, and they also have a little dining table over there as well. Now we walk into the main master bedroom. Okay, so let's start off with the toilet. Okay, so they have a toilet over here. It's got the washing spray, which is always handy, and then it's got a double sink. It's got the toiletries, walk-in shower over there. Now let's move on to the main bedroom area. Okay, so it's got in the main bedroom, it's got a workstation over here, which we'll be using as a dressing table, and it's got a double bed. It's got pillow menu, which is quite good. So we asked them for a hard pillow, so which they have kindly done, which is good. In the evening, they can even give you a hot water bottle. So it's like quite cold at the moment over here. I wouldn't say it's like burning hot. So I've had my jacket on all day, so the hot water bottle definitely comes in use. But overall, a nice hotel. So the JW Marriott's literally just behind it, which is a newer building, but this seems quite good, and the staff seem very helpful. So definitely worthwhile staying here at the Kempinski in Nairobi.